So some pretty good news for SMCI. If you guys have not heard the news, let me go ahead and pull it up real quick. It says SMCI stock surges following review of announcement plans for a new CFO, which is the Chief Financial Officer. For those that do not know, they've been having a lot of accounting issues, not properly reporting earnings on time, and we're at risk of getting removed off of the NASDAQ market. So this is a big announcement because hopefully it can put SMCI back on track. If you look at the 4-hour time frame, consistent lower highs, lower lows. It's been on a consistent downturn after its peak of 122.90. So from highs of 122.90, ended up hitting lows of 1582. And this is, why we started talking about it, because after it started selling off and becoming extremely oversold, it's kind of experienced something like this before. I think it was back in 2017 where it had very similar issues to this, where it had a strong run up to $4.20. This is pre-split, obviously. And then it had a strong downturn in 2017 that ended up leading to an 85 cent per share. And then from there, began to actually recover, working its way back up to 122.90. So SMCI is not new to the negative news, but it looks like hopefully it can make its way back up to previous highs, or at least begin to indicate signs of a recovery. So it's kind of being able to highlight those concerns that have been present for SMCI, which have been the accounting issues, and also it being overhyped up because NVIDIA was doing well and SMCI was partnered with NVIDIA in part of its business, that a lot of hype got factored into SMCI. I want to really, point more of that focus to all of the Reddit traders that overhyped up SMCI within a short period of time, right? Any company that goes from, what was it, like $24 per share to highs of 122 within just a few months, obviously becomes extremely overbought and at risk of experiencing strong corrections. And that's essentially what happened. So it looks like, again, SMCI is trying to actually take action in ways that hopefully can help the company in the up and coming future. So very good news for SMCI. I'm excited to follow up. You guys know that I've talked my crap on this company before because of how overbought it was. And how overvalued it was, but now it's become so oversold that if it does get its things figured out, it wouldn't be much of a surprise if SMCI could begin to recover. So very excited to follow up with that. And also want to keep you guys up to date with one of the positions that I currently have. I'm down about $200, $300 so far. I opened up a short position on MSTR. It's getting rejected right now at that moving average on the 5-minute time frame, or if you look at the 1-minute time frame, just previous highs. So overbought, and based off of previous lows, if we do end up getting rejected, I could probably walk away with 3 to 4K in the green. So I'll make sure that I keep you guys posted. I did trade this with our LPP team. My position was a little bit on the lighter side, but I'm going to be going in for my second short on MicroStrategy. And again, the more that Bitcoin sells off, the more that MicroStrategy will sell off. The more that Bitcoin rallies, the stronger MicroStrategy can be. So again, a really important correlation to pay attention to. So we're going to make sure that we pay very close attention to the price action and the direction of Bitcoin to have a better understanding if we want to go long or if we want to remain short on MicroStrategy. I want to remind you that my trades are just day trades. I do not carry these positions overnight, especially not with MicroStrategy, as it comes at a very high form of risk. So stay patient, stay calculated, wait for your criteria to be met, and never be afraid to lock in those profits. I hope that earned your thumbs up. Please consider subscribing. And if you want to watch me trade live as soon as tomorrow, it's the second link in the description down below. You get to watch me trade live every single day. It's designed for complete beginners, and you can join for as little as $1 a day is what it breaks down to with the current sale we have going on. I appreciate your time. Like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take care, team.